Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in this daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday. Monday, June the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle remains. It's the binary. Yes, binary time. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, four of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Alright. And what's the news of the day? Well, 247 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, yeah. It's still continuing, yeah. Enough about the war. This will be number 8690. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Double ones here, no, there, no. Now the doubles. Double O here, one, there, one. Double O's 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 here, one, there, one. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, one, there, one. Double O's here, one, there, one. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's here, one, there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah, and now, doubles. Here one, there one. Doubles. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So the rest are O's. This box should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I need to think. Wow. O and 1. O and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one. Oh, of course, double 1 overlooked. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. Overlooked. O and a 1, okay. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. How about double O here, 1, there, 1. Well, my pencil is almost empty. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Well, this is empty, this one. Yeah. Let me continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Now these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare. Question is these 2 columns or these 2 rows. Let me see here. Double O, double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. Yeah. We got you. This one. And this row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. So have a great and fantastic Monday. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.